Balmalawri ko tani tugu ni itatau. Dia lengkaka ina mo taungi.
Pero daí ele bota semua tentang Yesus Kristus. Mana?
It's always great to come and wait, because greatness comes to those who wait. You wait with readiness. You wait with all the thoughts that you get yourself have been prepared for all this while when you have been undergoing your training. And this is the last stop for you to come and do your itatau. I'm proud of you, very, very super proud, especially for the Angona's presentation this morning. Na wale una Angona sewu tangane. That shows, it gives us the confidence that people have thoughts about the youth of Fiji today. But seeing this this morning, you know, it confirms to us that we are looking at a great future for Fiji, great future in all aspects of life. And here we have the future stars of Fiji coming to present it out to attend to the Commonwealth Games. And you have been the chosen ones to represent Fiji. You know, as you go into this international arena where you will go and showcase your talents, there will always be challenges and issues that you will hit along the way. I know with the team leader here, I know you've one of the household names in Fiji, who's leading you to the games. You are going there to go and represent Fiji, but first of all, you are going to showcase something that you had inspired yourself to do. You always wanted to play a game that you wanted, and you sacrifice yourself, you put all yourself into it, and this is the outcome. And this is the next step for you to go out and represent Fiji in the World Games. It's in Tobago. It's going to be like Fiji. I think if you all wear the same uniform, you could be mistaken. It could be one of your own kind. We all have the same features, but they are also renowned too in their sports. But the thing is, you are representing Fiji. You are going there representing the whole 900,000 people in Fiji in sports. And you are just going to showcase your talents, because in the next 4 or 5 years, you will be the ones that will be taking Fiji again to that other level. So for you to come and do your itatau this morning, my job is just to come and confirm to you that you will go and represent Fiji, go with confidence, you know, go with the expectation that you are going to do yourself proud first. You know, you have achieved that, so go and show them that what you have sacrificed to go and show, to go and partake in the games. And lastly, I've always said this to all the teams that come and do the itatau here. You know, we're all humans. We all have issues in ourselves, in our minds with us. We all have some challenges or issues that we go through each day, that you cannot share it with your friends, your team management, and some even with your parents. Those things that are in you, that sometimes bother you. You know, I can see yourself sitting down ready to, getting on the line, ready to run, and that thought comes into your mind. You know, takes off that concentration. I'm going to ask you to leave all that here, share it with all these good people sitting here, leave all those problems with us, especially with me, because I'm quite big, I can handle all that. Leave it here. As you leave these gates, go as a sportswoman, as a sportsman. Don't take anything with you. Just go think about sports. Think about the colors that you have. Think about your tracksuit, your track shoes, your boots, whatever. Think about it. Because that's true sportsman. Leave everything here with us. Go. And then when you come back to Fiji, come back here and ask me to offload it back to you. You can do that for me? Huh? Yes or no? Yes. I want to hear that thing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
There we go. That's how we do it. All for one, one for all. You know? That's how you do it. Look after each other. Listen to the management and the coaches. Think about your parents, your families, who you're representing. Go out there. Look slightly above your own height. Look at them in the eyes and tell them that you are there to give them a challenge. So go and bring glory to Fiji. God bless you on your journey. And may He keep you. Peace, peace.